Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's solve these questions together. Alright, solution. One of the laws of cyclic theorem says that the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. It means the angle here is twice the angle here. This is the angle at the center and this is the angle at the circumference. Alright, so now before we do that, we need to find what x is. And you know, the theory also apply to the circumference here. Alright, so it means that the angle here is twice the angle here. Alright, so we can say this place is W. It means the angle at the center, which is W, is twice the angle at the circumference, which is 116. So we can say now W is equals to 2 times the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. Now, it means that our W will be 2 times 116, which is 232 degrees. That is the angle at the center, 232 degrees. Now, what is the relationship between X and W? Alright, they are the angle at the center. And it says that the sum of angle at the center equals 360 degrees. That is, the X and the W is equals to 360 degrees. Why? Sum of angle at a point equals to 360 degrees. Now, we know what our W is 232. We can easily find our X. X now equals to 360 degrees minus 232 degrees. That means X equals to, when you subtract this from this, it gives us 128 degrees. X equals to 128 degrees. Now we can also find y. We still need to apply that law that says the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So whatever you have here is twice the angle here. And that's what we are going to do. We say x is equals to 2y. And we know what our x is. So it means our y is equals to half of x. That is x over 2. Our x is 128. So it means we divide 128 by 2. That means that our y now is equals to 128 degrees divided by 2, and that is 64 degrees. So it means our x is 128 degrees and y is 64 degrees. Let's write that. Therefore, x equals to 64 degrees, y equals to 64 degrees, yx equals to 128 degrees. That is our final answer. Alright, so let's do something very similar. Now let's try this. We have a circle, and then we have this. Okay, and this is the center. We have this and we have this. Right, so this is the center of the circle. I will say O. This place is X, and this place is 31 degrees. We have A, B, C. Now the question says find angle X. We want to find S, which is this place. This is the angle we have to find. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment your answer. Comment your answer under the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. See you next time.